Ambo. Mate, is lunch ready yet?
Mate, give me 1 second. I'm just in the middle of something here. If your friends are always pestering you on your UHF, then it's probably a good thing. It probably means you've got a quality UHF. Well, in this case, we definitely do. We've got the Uniden UH9080 UHF in Andy's project Prado. And let me tell you, when this thing is a serious bit of kit. Now, if you take a close look at this bad boy, you're gonna see a big LCD screen. It's going to make it easy to read out all your different volume settings and your channel as well. You're also going to have your scan features and all that good stuff as well. What more, you're going to have 7 different color options. So if you're a little bit OCD like my friend Andy is down the hill, you're going to be able to tune the color of your UHF in to match the color of the screen in your car and all the dash lights and that kind of thing. So it's going to almost look factory, dare I say it. You're also going to have an enhanced voice mic. So what that means is that it's going to adapt to what's being said and give you the clearest possible readout. It's also going to have an instant replay function. So for up to 1 minute after a transmission's come through, you're going to be able to replay it simply by hitting the replay button. So if you've missed what your mate's just said, like he's asking if lunch is ready, you'll be able to hit replay and make sure you've got all the details. Now what more, this bad boy here, the UH9080, has got an inbuilt BearCat engine. Now what does that mean? Well, it's a pretty cool function, and it's the first UHF I've seen that's actually got it. Now what it is unencrypted emergency service frequencies, police, fire, ambo, you're going to be able to tune in and listen to. So if there's something happening in the bush, we're here in the Watergans, and if something, an emergency is happening and the police are there and they're on their unencrypted radio stations, you're going to be able to tune in and listen. It's a pretty impressive piece of kit. It's also got a voice enhanced 4 audio settings setup, which means you're going to be able to tune the audio playback up to 4 different ways in this particular handset. It's, of course, you've got this, it's all one built, and the control module's down, tucked away at my feet. It's not going to be up in your face, taking up valuable dash space. It's a pretty impressive bit of kit, and it goes perfectly with our 18970 BKS aerial up the front of the car.